On this episode of Sea Kayak Life,
We are all looking for adventure. We are all looking for adventure. We are all looking for adventure. We are all looking for adventure.
Well, it's an early morning here on the Hiwassee River. The sun just came up. We're going to get an early start and beat the heat today.
So they call this the Hiwassee Blueway, and there's an upper section. You're probably familiar with the Hiwassee's famous for whitewater, kayaking, and rafting. Then there's a middle section, but this lower section is mostly flat water, and it's perfect for sea kayaking.
So what are we doing today?
Well, it's about 10 miles out to the Tennessee River, and that's our goal.
Okay.
We're going to paddle out there. We're going to pass by some historic sites, some wildlife viewing areas, and where the two rivers come together, it's a confluence.
It's a confluence. Well, let's get going. It's all part of our Sea Kayak life.
thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and share this video with your friends.
I'll ride with the horses. I'll swim through the sea. I'll climb to the mountain tops. Won't you come follow me? I'll take time to notice all that I see. And after I've come so far, you know where I'll be.
Coming off a stressful week, we managed to take a much-needed day off to kayak. We often say that we kayak to go places or to seek adventure. But sometimes kayaking provides a sense of calm and peacefulness. It rejuvenates your very soul.
But life is a vision, that's how it should be. The world is a canvas, and the choices are free. At the end of the journey, where all is complete, they'll all wonder where I've gone, but you know where I'll be. I'll fly away, fly away, fly away, fly away home. I'll fly away, fly away, fly away, fly away home.
This morning, the ospreys are very active, fishing and providing for their families. And this blue heron flies away with a sense of annoyance from our presence. As mentioned earlier, we're traveling on the Hiwassee Blueway. Upriver, there is world-class whitewater kayaking and rafting, which feeds into Lake Ocoee. Here in the lower section, the river widens. It's perfect for our sea kayaks. Like the osprey and blue heron, this is the perfect area for the sandhill crane, which migrate here in the fall. Observation areas are provided for enthusiasts who want to witness this remarkable season.
We'll fly away, fly away, fly away, fly away home. We'll fly away, fly away, fly away.
As we get closer to the Tennessee River, we look for a spot to take a much-needed break. The heat of the day is building, so we look for an area where we can land easily and find ample shade.
Such a lovely summer day, such a lovely summer day, such a lovely summer day. Such a lovely summer day, such a lovely summer day, such a lovely summer day.
Energized from lunch and the weight of the world left miles behind, we continue our journey. We approach our destination, Blythe Ferry, and pass a very large river barge, a common sight on the Tennessee. This is the confluence of the Hiwassee and the Tennessee River. Many times at a confluence of rivers, we encounter some disturbance in the water, but here it's smooth sailing. Years ago, Blythe Ferry was an actual ferry, shuttling people and cars across the Tennessee River.
So do you remember when there was actually a ferry here?
Yeah,
Yeah, I do too.
a long time ago, yeah, like when we first moved here.
Such a lovely summer day, such a lovely summer day, such a lovely summer day. Such a lovely summer day, such a lovely summer day, such a lovely summer day. Such a lovely summer day, such a lovely summer day, such a lovely summer day.
Well, we've made it to Blythe Ferry.
So apparently there's a memorial of some kind to the Cherokee people, and it's just up on the hill here, and I think there's a trail we can just walk through the woods.
Okay, it's the beginning of the Trail of Tears. Let's go check it out. I think we go up there.
After a short hike, we find the memorial.
This is our destination today, the beginning of the Trail of Tears. Happened back in 1838, where 16,000 Cherokee Indians were forcibly relocated.
I'm really glad that they built this memorial to the Cherokee people that live in this area. It's very close to our home, and growing up, I had one grandfather that had many half-brothers and half-sisters that were full Cherokee. So I grew up kind of learning about the Cherokee people, hearing a lot of stories, and I'm just very proud that they built this.
Mark and I hiked to the ridge where the Cherokee must have stood as they said goodbye to their home. Looking around, we tried to process what happened here. The Cherokee people were forced to leave behind their homeland forever. I can only imagine the sorrow and confusion they must have experienced as they began their perilous journey to Oklahoma. It was a beautiful sight and a moving experience as the sun set.
We'll fly away, fly away, fly away, fly away, oh. We'll fly away, fly away, fly away, fly away, oh. Ooh, we'll fly away, fly away, fly away, fly away, oh. We'll fly away.
This is our Sea Kayak Life.